Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Do you ever feel like math is a super tough boss battle in a video game? Well, what if I told you that you could have some secret cheat codes to make it way easier and a lot more fun? Today, we're diving into some super cool math tricks that every kid should know. These aren't just for acing your next test, they'll make you look like a math wizard in front of your friends and family. So, grab a pencil and paper, or just get your brain ready, because we're about to level up your math skills. First up, let's talk about the magic of the number 11. Multiplying by 11 seems tricky, but there's a super simple shortcut. Let's take a two-digit number, say 34. To multiply 34 by 11, you just take the two digits, 3 and 4, and add them together. So, 3 plus 4 equals 7. Now, place that 7 right in between the 3 and the 4. And voila! You get 374. That's it. 34 times 11 is 374. Let's try another one. How about 52 times 11? Add 5 and 2, which gives you 7. Put the 7 between the 5 and the 2, and you get 572. Now, what happens if the numbers in the middle add up to 10 or more? Like 87 times 11? Well, 8 plus 7 is 15. You put the 5 in the middle and then carry the 1 over to the 8. So, 8 plus 1 is 9. The answer is 957. Isn't that cool? Go ahead, test it on a calculator. I'll wait. Next, let's conquer the 9 times table. This one is so easy, you can do it with your hands. Literally. Hold both of your hands out in front of you, palms facing you. Let's say you want to figure out 9 times 4. Starting from your left pinky, count to your 4th finger and bend it down. Now, look at your hands. How many fingers are to the left of the bent finger? There are 3. How many are to the right? There are 6. Put those numbers together and you get 36. That's your answer. 9 times 4 is 36. Let's try 9 times 7. Count to your 7th finger, which is your right index finger, and bend it down. You have 6 fingers to the left and 3 to the right. The answer is 63. You can use this trick for the entire 9 times table from 1 to 10. It's like having a built-in calculator on your hands. Having trouble with squaring numbers that end in 5? There's a trick for that too. Let's take the number 25. To square it, meaning to multiply it by itself, look at the first digit, which is 2. Multiply that digit by the next whole number up, which is 3. So, 2 times 3 is 6. Now, just stick a 25 on the end of that. Okay, here's a great one for adding up a long list of numbers, like from 1 to 100. This is a trick a famous mathematician named Gauss figured out when he was just a kid in school. His teacher asked the class to add all the numbers from 1 to 100. Probably to keep them busy for a while, but little Gauss had the answer in seconds. Here's how he did it. He noticed that if you pair the first and last number, 1 and 100, they add up to 101. If you pair the second and the second to last number, 2 and 99, they also add up to 101. This pattern continues all the way to the middle. So, how many pairs of 101 do you have? Since there are 100 numbers, you have 50 pairs. Finally, let's talk about a quick way to check your multiplication. This is called the butterfly method, and it's especially great for fractions. Let's say you need to add to fractions, like 2/3 plus 4/5. First, you multiply diagonally. Multiply the 2 by the 5, which is 10. Then multiply the 4 by the 3, which is 12. These are your butterfly wings. Now, add those two numbers together. 10 plus 12 is 22. That's the top number of your new fraction. To get the bottom number, just multiply the two bottom numbers of the original fractions together. So, 3 times 5 is 15. And there you have it. The answer is 22/15. It's a visual and simple way to add fractions without getting bogged down in finding a common denominator the old-fashioned way. So there you have it, 5 awesome math tricks to make you faster and more confident with numbers. Math doesn't have to be scary. With a few tricks up your sleeve, it can actually be a lot of fun. Try these out, practice them, and you'll be a math superstar in no time. Which trick was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more fun tips and tricks. See you in the next one.